Hey guys, it's Dawn, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a graded discussion in your class. So I'm going to go back to this advisory fake class that I've created. And in a previous video I showed you guys how to set up modules and how to put in assignments, how to make sure that they are graded and linking to Q. So this button right here again gives you a page, and it gives you a variety of things. This is covered in an earlier video also. This time we're going to pick discussion. So I can either choose discussion 1 or I can choose something else. And you can choose whatever name you want, of course. And you can see here that the icons are different. This one is an assignment. The little text boxes, those are a discussion. So if I click in here, this is what it looks like right now. I can edit it. And then this is really similar to an assignment. So you can add pictures, you could add a prompt here, you could have a little YouTube clip right in here. You could show the kids whatever you want and then give them some directions. You know, write down 3 facts, discuss the thing that was most important to you, whatever it is that you want. And then down here, this is important. So if you have multiple sections of social studies or science or language arts or whatever, it will only go to those classes. So you can do all, or you can choose. You can attach a file, which is pretty easy. If I'm having kids respond to each other, I will often have them threaded, which means that a person will reply, and then when someone responds to it, it'll go right under that. I often choose this one, users must post before seeing replies, because otherwise they'll read the prompt, they'll read the directions, and then they'll read everybody else's responses, and then theirs sounds really similar. So I make it so that when it pops up, it's just blank. They have to do theirs, and then once they click submit, they can see everybody else's. Graded, I often click graded, and then I often allow them to like, but these are all optional things. I can see it, or they can be sorted by likes. I don't usually choose these, but I do usually let the kids like the different threads in the discussion. Points, you can do a variety of points, or you could do complete, incomplete in the gradebook, so that's up to you. If you want it to sync to the SIS, Student Information System, which is Q, you have to click this box. I never mess with this. I don't mess with this inside of discussions. And then you have to have a due date if you want this to sync to Q. And then you can either save, or you can save and publish it if you want it published now. So this is what it looks like right now. If I was a student and I went in here, and I looked at this through student view, here's my discussion. And again, it shows up on their dashboard and in their to-do list over here. So test 1. The biggest thing that I have kids that do this wrong is they type their stuff in here. This is actually a search bar. They have to click the reply button. And then they get a text box. They can add a picture, they can add a URL, they can add just text. And then this is what it looks like. So that threaded reply thing, if another student clicked reply, then all of these would be together so that this student could see what the people replied to them. The next student would have a new box with threaded replies. In a later video, I'm going to show you how to grade all of this stuff. So I will show you in the SpeedGrader what this looks like